you can see the glare on the auto-dimming IRVM against the manual dimming IRVM.
This is Ankit from Durvient.com. Let's see how to replace a manual rear view mirror with an electronic dimming one.
Then comes the IRVM. So we have a film here, we'll just keep it as is. Installing this is quite easy. All we need to do is put the new one in. This cable management needs to be cut to the exact size what we need. It would be a bit longer than the space provided, which means we'll have to make cut on both of them. क्या करेंगे? We will just hit this from soft side. उधर से नहीं तो निशान पड़ेगा. सिर्फ ऐसे. Okay. This is common in Hyundai, Kia, VW, Skoda, lots and lots of cars. इसका dimension ले लेते हैं कि कितना लंबा चाहिए. And just take the measurement from the top.
You'll need a cutter for this.
Yeah, you need a cutter for this. As of now, it's too long. You'll have to cut halfway. This has to be repeated multiple times. This is going to be purely based on judgment. You will notice कि जो केबल ऑर्गेनाइजर है ये इसके अंदर चला जाता है एंड लॉक हो जाएगा. One, we'll put this one on the vein, route the cable underneath, and then put this in the headliner and push it up. Pull the headliner a little bit. Do not pull much because this is going to cause creases on the headliner, and conceal the wire completely. From the front, the wire won't be visible at all. It is going beneath the headliner, and in here we have to route the wire through the A pillar. फिर यहाँ से आएगा पूरा नीचे. Wire is now concealed, completely concealed in this area. So in case of Polo, we are just pushing it inside the bearing. This is going to make things easy. Use a tool like this. Do not insert screwdrivers. Okay? This is completely concealed. With two hands, you will see two grooves at the bottom of the fuse box cover lid. Pull it out and just keep it aside. Here, fuse box here. We will just route this wire through the fuse box. There may be pull out the steering all the way up. This is attached to the car's body, whichever screwdriver you have. Okay. All you need to do is insert this line in here. Turn off the key and you will see the indicator turns off as well. So IRVM activates with the accessory mode on. Turn the key once or push the start stop button. Now to show you the dimension, this is the IRVM we had and this is the new IRVM we have. This one's total width is around 10.8 inches. To show you how the day and night layer works, so you can see the glare on the auto dimming IRVM against the manual dimming IRVM. And so this one is completely dark and no glare at all, while the one which is not active, the one here, will show all the glare.
That's all for today. Visit our website for more products and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.